Princess Anne nyapa Queen Elizabeth II tie limeme ni angwen Uganda kama en Lawoo cheri Nakivale refugee camp o chero tiara ti projects mogo mapat matiete dul pagamente mamegi mi UK kibena yono kare mi yapo bank mi Equity. Onyoryom IEP projects mogo mapat ma en Olimo kon wachi tikanen kare ki kare.
Can I say what a pleasure it is to be here? Having been involved with Opportunity International for quite a few years, this program has been, I think, one of the most exciting that has evolved out of its early work of loans. And Uganda is a remarkable country in the way that it welcomes and treats the refugees who come here. This adds enormously to what they can gain from a very unfortunate set of circumstances. But importantly, without affecting the host communities, in fact, hopefully, they'll be mutually beneficial to both communities. And having had the opportunity to talk to some today, the variety of skills and investments just show what can be achieved.
Wote mili mcharo kaneno refugees kit maketika kuo kweri Uganda luktela mukenne magati kisoro go karo kiko ni gen gitika no perma tek tutwale ikit mi konyo refugees loko mwod mi ake bunagana mi o kivaya refugees settlement camp man lupe kilwany mutuke chabit mokaro chane ikien mony mi M23 kidonga mente mi Congo.
336 refugees from Nakivale transcenter to Nakivale settlement.
Malupe kilokpa DC mikisoro district wachiga mento karoke kaberu kama ke miete refugees mo ke kan mati ka donyo mirgo ner kong nigo kem kunu.
The UNHCR has already informed the minister that they have run short of resources, so they can no longer support people in the transit center. They can only support people in the settlements. So for that matter, UNHCR and OPM are ready to transport asylum seekers from the borderline to the settlement, not from the borderline to the transit, because many of them have been screened before. They are already in the system, but they had run away and went back to Congo illegally. Because to have gone back to Congo, they were supposed to have been cleared.
Ilog megwako dana magiti we watch enomete kon wachi.
That we should stop keeping people in the transit center. And deadline is 31st of October 2022. By last week Friday, in the transit center, we had remained with around 870 before the war broke out. But now, a bigger number has come.
Malupe kituo Ebola mati Congo kidoe Uganda ketika nero ken makera majulu kweri wilo ayela wek tuo man po nyae ken loa.
Yesterday, I interviewed them, many at the border, the refugees, and they were telling me they had just gone back home and they had planted food, Irish, beans, sorghum, and millet, and most of their food is now flowering. So they are looking at leaving the food in Congo and go to Nakivale, which is very far. They think that they will be crossing the border every morning, go to Congo, check on the garden, have some food, come and feed the family. But you cannot allow them to stay at the borderline.
Currently, Uganda is always kind. Welcome the refugees. It's a very special, unique open door policy. In spite of security issues there, in spite of Ebola there, the door is open. We are not emotional. Congratulations to Uganda government for this amazing, unique open door policy.
Pilongemo chwenye Lawoo TV, Abdul Karim Sengendo, Kate Atuzaire Kipat, Robert Larubi.